Hey guys, it's Nani and I'm back with another YouTube video. Okay, so today we will be finishing this amazing look, this beat, okay? I'm feeling myself, and guys, I love this slick back bun with this look. I'm not going anywhere, but yeah. This is just like a glam look, going out, going to a party type look. You have a little bling bling. You don't have too much bling, but you got some bling. All right guys, so let's get started. All right, so first I'm gonna prime my face, and I will be using my NYX No Filter Blurry Prime. I love this stuff. And since I have oily skin, I'm gonna be using the Fenty Beauty primer. Okay, now I'm going to start on my eyebrows. I'm going to be using the Anastasia Dip and Brow in the color Ebony. Okay, now I'll be using the Tarte Shape Tape in the color Medium. I'm be putting that to highlight using the I'll be using my sculpting brush by Real Techniques. I think I got this at Walmart or Target. I believe it was at Target, but now that I'm done with my contouring, I will be luxury baking powder, and I will be putting some on my hand first. So I'm gonna be putting it over here. I have so much stuff on my hand, but I'll be using this brush. I'm not even sure where I got it from. I think I got it in like a gift kit for Christmas, but I'm not sure where it's from. So tap that off. In the color Tan to Deep, and I love this palette so much. Love it so much. So I'm using this brush is the same brush that I use to contour my face. I'm using this color and this color mixed right here. That my nose looked fine, but it actually doesn't. So I'll be using the same two colors from the contour palette by Anastasia. And I like mixing these two because I like having like an orange tone in my face, like a peachy look. This whitish color, it's sort of like a highlighting color. I use it to base my nose, and so I'm just going to use my finger and just pat it on my nose where I want it to be and just blend it out. I'm putting on some highlighter. So I'll be using the color Rum and the Fenty matching stick. I'm just going to put some on my finger. I'm just going to use it to my Alright, I'm going to be doing eyeshadow. A lot of people have asked me how I do my eyeshadow, so might as well just go all out. First, I'm going to pat my eyes. I already put concealer on them. I really love these Jaclyn Hill palette. They're amazing. This is a Jaclyn Hill Ring the Alarm eyeshadow palette. And y'all, just look how bomb these colors are. Like, it's like a gold, it's like a warm color, and then pink. Yeah, I think it's really pretty. And then I'm gonna be using I think this is called Bling Boss, the Jaclyn Hill Bling Boss palette. I'm just gonna be using this color out of the whole palette. I just like that color. Okay, I'm using the Morphe 441 and 441 brush, and I'm going to be using Rush from Ring the Alarm palette. So I'm going to this is how it looks so far. Then I'm going to be using Alert lip color and get in there. Alright, now I'll be using Sparks from the Bling Boss palette. It's right here. I'm just patting it on the outside. I will be going ahead with I'm going to go in with my Tarte Shape Tape in the color medium. Again, I'm just going to put it on my Morphe M167 brush. Put some right here, like small. So y'all see what I'm trying to do now? It was looking a hot mess earlier, but it's okay. Alright, now I'm just going to, next I'll be going in with the Boom right there. And I'll be putting it on the outside. Alright, now I'm just going in with Spark one more time to blend it out more. be going in with some gold glitter. And I'm gonna try this stuff because I don't know how it's. So if it doesn't work good, I'm gonna let y'all know. All right, now it's like a cream bluey contact. Don't really know how to describe it, but I put it on. Now I'm just going in with my glitter. I'm gonna pat it on here. I got this glitter off Amazon. I get everything off Amazon now. I'd be too lazy to go to the store, and I just be like, no, I'm not going to the store. Alright, and I got these iconic eyelashes, and I really like them. They're usually at a hair store. If you're not trying to spend an arm and a leg for some lashes, these are the bomb. I think they're like $4. You might can get some cheaper ones somewhere, but these just work for me, so. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I put some gloss on. I just mixed a bunch of glosses together. This is how it looks. So happy, it looks so good. So please like and subscribe. Okay, final result. I'm so excited. Oh, I need some earrings in, but that's okay. I ain't going nowhere. I'm just doing this YouTube video, so yeah guys, like and subscribe. Okay guys, okay sis, we can have a ball together, period.